Hi everyone, today I want to show you what I got past 2 weeks from Bergdorf Goodman. Their sale just ended yesterday and it was a pretty good deals, including all the luxury brands, and I have a full box full of stuff to share with you. So I'm going to show you what I got. First of all, this is from Dior Forever Cushion Powder in lavender color. I bought this from Selfridges and it has a gorgeous packaging, and the cushion, not foundation, this is a powder, so it comes with a puff, and you see I've been using this quite a lot and I'm really enjoying it. So I checked the website, Selfridges website last night, and I don't see this one anymore. So if it's popped up again anywhere, the Dior site or anything, and I highly recommend this, especially the lavender color. It for me is I have a yellow undertone skin with light complexion, and it really brings up the brightness, and it doesn't really look weird on me, so I really like that one. And one more Selfridges purchase is not in here actually, from Gucci, but then this is the eyebrow pencil, but I got the nude lip liner from there, so that's it. And this is from Surratt. I bought one of their online exclusive, the only Surratt website has it, and this is their new brow pomade. So it looks like this. So it looks like a little comb brush looking, and I got the light brown actually, light brown shade, but I'm gonna pick up the dark brown as well. And this is really good brow gel, tinted brow gel, and this is a Supernova. It's their special shade. Only Surratt website has it, so I'm gonna show you. So Sora comes in the little tiny packaging, and each shadow looks very small, but then individual shade is 1.7 grams, so it's not small as an amount, but so look how beautiful this is. And there's a shift. You see it looks like a blue, like metallic shade when you put it on. Let me show you how. There's a purplish, and then so it's such a unique, beautiful shade. I'm gonna definitely try it on my lid pretty soon. Alright. And the rest of the things I have here is the Chanel things, and then some of the Gucci that I have from Bergdorf. So this is a powder. I've been wanting this. At the same time, I didn't want it. Gucci has the most beautiful packaging, as you can see, and it is pretty strong fragrance. So when you see the packaging, and then as soon as you open, that you can definitely smell. And I got the number 3 powder. It's called a Matte Natural powder, beauty powder 03. So I think it's gonna be gorgeous on my complexion, and their packaging is also very beautiful. And it comes with the velvety pouch. And what else did I got? Oh, I got Hermes new lipstick spring edition. This is, I'm all over the place. This is from Saks actually. That's the only thing I got from Saks. And this has a beautiful packaging like this. Look at this color. How gorgeous this is. So this is number 17, beige Abloui. Okay. I'm not sure that I pronounced it right, but this is a gorgeous nudie color with pink undertone. So I can't wait to try this color. And this lipstick is satin finish. Okay, and moving on. So I wanted to have this blush, Chanel blush in Love and Sphinx eyeshadow from Tom Ford for a very long time. It's on my sitting on my wish list for a very long time, so I finally got these from Bergdorf. And another one was on my wish list was Water Fresh Tint from Chanel. And I tried numerous samples before, and this is a medium light shade, but I didn't like it because at first it didn't give me any coverage, and I didn't feel any hype on this one. So it comes with a little brush, and this looks like this. So I'll definitely share the experience that I have with this, but I am confident to use it underneath my foundation so that it can give me the glowy under base on top of everything on top. Actually, everything on top is going to be gorgeous on my skin, so I can't wait to try this one. And 3 more. Okay, 2 crayons, 1 stylo, 2 stylo and 1 crayon. So one is a lip pencil. I got another one. It's coming. It's called Tender shade. So this is their new lip liner from Gucci. And I'm gonna show you. So this is not the retractable. This is actually like you have to sharpen it with the sharpener. And then this is such a gorgeous shade. And this one is only shade that Gucci website is sold out. And then, okay, this is the number 2 Tender. And beautiful shade. I can try a little bit. I love it. This is also very creamy, but it's not too mushy. So I love that. And 2 stylo contour shade. One is a 03 Chocolat. And this is a dark brown shade. And this is number 06 Celeste. So, and I picked up one more. Okay. This is a Celeste. How gorgeous this shade is. I can't wait to try this one. And my lighting is kind of weird. Okay, this is a Chocolat. And this is a perfect shade for every day. I use it all the time, this kind of shade. So, and both are really creamy, and these are the retractable. So you don't have to sharpen it. It looks like this. So there's a 2 stylo eyeliner. And what else? That's it. Okay. And I've got 2 Chanel Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue. This shade is Endless Pink 174, and this is 166 Timeless Beige. So these are from the Chanel boutique in California, and my friend Grace told me that they have in stock, and then I contacted the essay there, and she's wonderful. Her name is Margaret. So Margaret helped me to get these 2 from her boutique, and I love their formula, so I can't wait to try both of these. And Endless Pink is, it's not normal pink, it's like a slight like coral to it. So it's, I really, probably it's gonna be one of my favorite too. And then I heard this is a limited edition, so shade. So I get one hold of it, but we'll see. And the other one is Timeless Beige, and this is like very nudie, like beige shade. And underneath the mask, I think it probably, like, I'll use this a lot with my smoky eyes look. So can't wait to try these two. And I think that's about it. So a couple of items from Bergdorf are still on my way, and I'll probably share throughout the, you know, like, days on my stories. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to show you guys all the makeup looks that I have with these items. So thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.